How to use Zelle with Bank of America app. Are you guys facing issues to use Zelle with Bank of America application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use Zelle with Bank of America application, first log in into your Bank of America mobile banking app. On the dashboard, tap on Transfers and then select Send Money with Zelle. If it's your first time, you will need to enroll your email address or your mobile number with Zelle through Bank of America. Once enrolled, to send money, tap Send into the recipient's email or phone number. Type the amount and choose the account you want to send from. Review all the details carefully, then tap Send to complete the transactions. To receive money, any funds sent to your enrolled email or mobile number will automatically deposit in your Bank of America account. Using Zelle through Bank of America is fast, secure, and convenient, letting you send or receive mobile number without needing a separate Zelle application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.